Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Another spontaneous vlog from yours truly, Don Garcia. We are now here at Moto Classica in Bulacan. Today, I really need to change the air filter for my Royal Enfield Continental GT. Because as you guys know, or if you've been watching my channel, it has more than 10,000 kilometers on it using the stock air filter. So I really need to change it now. So today, we are here at Moto Classica. I want to share with you this DNA air filter that I will be getting from them. The cool thing about the DNA air filter is it comes with this. I really like this plate from DNA. Actually, you can just fabricate this plate or maybe use some washer, but I like it. I like the looks of it. Huh? The price, later we'll check out the price, but I think it's around 5,000 pesos more or less, which is almost a typical price for big bikes, 400cc and above, 400, 600. Some of my friends, they ordered DNA also for their CB1000R, and I think it costs like 6,000 or 7,000. So it's on the ballpark. So again, this is a lifetime air filter, supposedly. So we won't be needing to replace them anymore, just clean them. I think they also sell here the rejuvenating kit or something like that. Quick view here of what they're having here in Moto Classica. No? So they still have some Royal Enfield for sale. But the main cute attraction, I think, for this is the Royal Alloy. Classic vintage scooter, looks inspired by various classic bikes of the past. Just to set the expectation, or let me share with you rather my expectation after changing the air filter is not much of a gain, despite the marketing, they say, is it increases performance, provide maximum filtering, blah, blah, blah. I'm not really looking into that, guys, because I won't be doing any dyno runs to measure if there's any gain, because I won't be playing with the ECU. I'm not going to remap it. I'm just going to plug and play, and then let's see. So again, expectation, just a fresh air filter. Maybe, I hope I would be able to hear an audible difference because the air filter will be open as compared to the stock one, which still has the snorkel. So I don't know. I will update you guys later once we install the air filter. There's Sir Ken. Game? Game na? Okay, game na. The air filter is located at this part. It's actually a very easy install to be done. Just remove the seat, take it out, take out some screw, plug, play, screw back on. So let's see if we can do the magic here. But while we're waiting for them, let's do some sound check before and after, as if there will be a difference, no? Just to make things kind of stable. I will be standing here beside the air filter so the mic can hopefully pick up the sound. Alright guys, so this is the stock air filter. Huh? I'm sure you've heard this 1,000 times in my vlog. Alright. Actually, turn off. Actually, it's mostly the exhaust pipe, the pipe that we're hearing. So let's see what we can do with some magic of air filter. Okay, so let's start the mini operation. Again, guys, I'm changing my air filter not because of the performance gain that I'm after, but because my air filter is very old and dirty. More than 10,000 kilometers. I think 10,000 is the limit for the stock air filter. Actually, I don't know the price for the stock air filter, but you know, why not? Let's do some upgrade. I used to see DNA air filters for Harleys, sports bike also. So to be honest with you, I think it's just the same, whatever brand you choose. So price-wise, they're also, you know, similar. Sir Ken,
Yes, sir.
magkano nga yung air filter? How much is the air filter?
5,800, sir, kasama na po yung stage 2 na cover.
Yon, so it's 5,800 including the stage 2 cover for more air. Baka gusto mo mag-invite?
Visit lang po kayo sa sa Moto Classica Inc. Dito po sa may Kawayan, Malacacan Road po.
Yan. So, yung mga local viewers natin, kung nanonood kayo guys, dalaw kayo dito, pasya kayo. May mga Royal Alloy sila dito, no? Saka yung
Mga
malupit
gears,
na
TM Racing, sir.
TM Racing, napakalupit na ano niyan.
Saka soon, sir, magkakaroon pa kami ng mga other brand.
Magdadala rin. So, yun Moto Classica dito sa may Kawayan, Bulacan. Thank you. But anyway guys, it's just as easy as that. You pull this out, you take this apart, just 3 screws, and then this is our stock air filter. It's let's check the condition. Let's show them. It's very bad, guys. 10,000 kilometers is very dirty. Very bad, very dirty. So anyway, we will throw that. This one I will bring home. And now we will install the new air filter. Unboxing. So again guys, this is the stage 2, which would replace this, because this is the stock airbox, or I don't know, snorkel, I don't know what you call this, guys, huh? So supposedly the air is only entering through this part. So with this removed and replaced with that, the air would be entering much more freely, or so the marketing says. What are we going to do with that much air without tuning the box? I don't know. Actually, that's one thing I've been apprehensive about before, with changing to stage 2 air intake when you are running stock ECU, because I'm not sure how the bike would handle that much extra volume of air. Maybe later, aside from the sound check, I will give you later maybe a feedback of the throttle response. Actually, to be honest with you guys, the throttle response is the thing that I'm going to be noticing or paying attention to after this install. Ta-da! Easily done. There's our fresh new air intake. Final bolt, ready to bolt on. So that's about it, guys. That's as easy as that, as pretty as it gets. So now we are running a aftermarket air filter, which is supposed to breathe more air with a stage 2 intake from DNA. Okay, reassembling. Alright. As per the manual of how to reset the computer box, or to let it learn the new mixture, I've read also that you should let it idle for like 10 to 15 minutes. Just idling, no revving. So just let it idle, guys, for 10 minutes. To be honest with you guys, just standing here, not revving the bike, I don't hear much difference. Or yeah, I guess we'll hear the intake roar when we're driving the bike, I guess. I don't know. I'll update you later about that. So we just let the bike idle there. Ciao. To be honest, I don't know if the self-learning ECU trick is really working, or but why not, right? You're gonna do it right. Let's follow the manual of the DNA air filter. You see this part here, guys? Apparently, they're also going to open another kind of like a showroom here, I guess, for different brands of bike. So this is the Moto Classica, the new showroom to be opened. One, ta-dang! Turn it up. Anong balita? Okay na? Let's stand again in the same position where I was standing before, and mic test 1 2 3. I can't tell you if there's anything different. Maybe it feels a little bit better, or maybe this is me just trying to make it feel better, because it's not cheap. It's not cheap, but I think the response, I think there's a slight improvement in the throttle response. I think very very minuscule. Maybe later after we go for a ride, maybe I will give you more feedback. But as of now, I'm happy. I'm happy with the bike because my air filter has been through very much. 10,000 kilometers is bad for any stock paper-made air filter, right? So here's our new air filter. And Kuya, thank you Thank you for installing the DNA air filter. So anyway, I'll update later guys. Maybe later. Or maybe not.
Ito sir, pa-scan lang ako nito sir, tapos register mo po yung name mo, yung unit ng motor mo, para sa lifetime warranty po.
Kala ko raffle. So what do we got here guys? This one, a coupon. This is a cool keychain. Might replace mine. I like this, I like this. What else? What else? Wala naman eh, no?
Sticker sir.
Sticker. We'll get some stickers later guys. Because I will be leaving the beautiful box here. Okay, we're finally home guys. If you're going to ask me if there's any significant difference or gains, I have to be honest with you, I can't really tell because it feels better. Let's sit here to rest. The throttle response, it feels better, mostly on the mid to high rev part, not on the low end. Sound-wise, for the intake, I don't hear an intake roar like when you would install an aftermarket air filter for cars, for example. But the muffler sound, there is a more bassier or more meatier character or grumble to the exhaust note that I can hear. Overall, I'm happy with the DNA air filter that I installed in my Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. It's one of those setups that I've planned to install for quite a long time, and now after more than 10,000 kilometers, I finally managed to install one in my bike. So anyway, signing out for now, and see you on our next vlog.